How to easily set up GeForce Now on Smart TV. First, make sure your TV is compatible. GeForce Now is officially supported on Samsung Smart TVs from the year of 2022 and newer, and LG TVs from 2021 and newer. You also need a Bluetooth controller connected to the TV. Now, open the Samsung Gaming Hub or LG Content Store depending on which one is your TV, then search for GeForce Now. Download and install the app. Once installed, open GeForce Now and log in with your NVIDIA account. If you don't have one, visit play.geforcenow.com on your phone or computer to create it. Next, connect your game store accounts like Steam, Epic Games, or Ubisoft inside GeForce Now to access your games. Make sure your internet connection is stable and you'll need at least 15 megabytes per second for 720p or 25 megabytes per second for 1080p streaming. Now just pick a game from your library and start playing. No download required. And that's it. You've successfully set up GeForce Now on your smart TV in minutes. Thanks for watching.